Read these three books if you are serious about changing your life this year. Book number one is The 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. This book teaches you how you need a mixture of chaos and order in life for long term growth. This is one principle I apply in my life as well. I am not disciplined 7 days of a week, but I'm disciplined at least 4 to 5 days a week, and I'm chaotic 2 to 3 days a week. Those days of chaos make me realize the importance of my disciplined days and make me love my discipline. Whereas if you are disciplined 7 days a week, you start hating that discipline and you give in to the chaos completely by giving up on your goals. If you end up applying even just one rule from this book, it will completely change your life. Book number two is Mindset by Carol Dweck. This book is a must read, especially if you are struggling with negative thoughts and you put negative labels on yourself like I am a failure, I won't be able to achieve anything in my life. This book will teach you how to remove all these negative labels from your mind, and it will show you how neuroplastic our mind is, which can take up any positive identity that you want through your hard work. Book number three is Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. Most of the people are not able to change their lives because they are busy playing the dirty ego games. Oh, this person said this to me. How can they say this to me? Oh, I'm so hurt. He shouldn't have done this to me. Everyone is busy playing these ego games, getting their ego hurt by someone or the other. This book teaches you how to strip down your ego completely and will help you build a new identity using your hard work without caring about what other people think and say about you.